Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you in this tutorial how to safely remove hard nails at home when you're not a professional and if you don't have the right tools and products. So this is the best technique you can do to remove gel nails by yourself. So these are my nails actually. They are very long, so I will have a lot of work. And those are the tools and products you will need. A nail clipper, some nail files. I recommend using a hard one, a fine one, and a buffer. A base coat with vitamins. Some oil for your cuticles. Hand moisturizer, and finally some nail polishes and top coat. As you can see, under the natural nail, we all have this very little skin that is called Hippo Kneecam, and it's very sensitive, so make sure to flip your hand so you will see it and make sure you won't cut it with the clipper. So next I will use a strong nail file to file down the hard gel. It will take a little bit of time because normally a nail technician would use an electric file, so it will be a lot faster. When filing off hard gel with a hand file, you will do it very slower, so even if it's long and very long, at least you won't damage your natural nails because you will go layer by layer, and this way you can easily stop when needed. So make sure you leave just a 5 or 10% of hard gel on your nails because we will file it later with a smoother nail file. Okay, so now I will use a smooth nail file to shorten the nails. It is very important to file off all the extra length because when you remove hard gel nails, your natural ones will be a little bit sensitive and sometimes they won't be as strong as they were before. They won't be damaged, but they just need a little time to get hardened and healthier. So now I will use the same nail file to file off the remaining layer. I recommend you to go very gently for this step because you will be very close to the natural nail plate, and if you're not careful enough you can damage it. And when you're done, you can simply use a buffer to smoothen your nail plate. Okay, so now guys, I just want to tell you that my nails are not damaged. As you can see, my nail plate is very spotted because of an illness that doctors discovered last year. I promise you it isn't very dramatic, but simply it does affect my skin, making it more sensitive and hard to heal when I hurt myself unpurposely. And I also noticed that my nails began to change over time. So yes, unfortunately they will always have those spots and bruises, but I can assure you that they aren't damaged at all because of gel nails. So I just washed my hands to remove all the dust and apply hand cream to moisturize my nails and cuticles. Then I will use some argan oil to strengthen and improve the health of my nails, and honestly I recommend you to do it every day to help them recover faster. Then you can simply apply some regular nail polishes just after removing the hard gel if you want to. Just remember to use a base coat with vitamins like the one that I will use. So use a base coat with vitamins instead of nail hardness because they are very strong and aggressive.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget.
Okay guys, I hope you like this video and that it will be very useful. I enjoyed a lot doing it, and don't forget to subscribe and to write me in the comments if you have questions or simply to say hello. It will fill my heart. I love you guys. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.